Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Allison Remington, Instructional Technology Specialist at Clinton County RESA, and today's Tech Tip Tuesday is going to focus on how to utilize Google Slides keyboard shortcuts to adjust images and text boxes. So here in my slide deck I have a couple of shortcuts that you can utilize with your keyboard. So basically a way to easily maneuver images or even text boxes are the following. So I'm going to use this little icon here to demonstrate. So if I want to rotate the image counterclockwise by 15 degrees, I would just type in Alt and then my left arrow. If I want to move it back, I do Alt and then the right arrow. If I want to move it clockwise the other way, I would do Alt right arrow and then move it back, Alt left arrow. If I want to rotate it counterclockwise by 1 degree, I do Alt Shift and then the left arrow, and you can see that's very slight, and move it back, hit the right. I can do again Alt Shift right to move it very slightly and then move it back. So this is really useful when you're just trying to maneuver an image just slightly into place instead of having to drag it and not get it quite where you want it. You can use your keyboard shortcuts. Next is the Shift arrow keys. I use this one all the time if I want to just slightly move the image like 1 pixel at a time, right? Instead of dragging the whole thing, maybe it's just a couple movements up or down or over to get it right in place where I want it. And then the last two, resizing the smaller, basically making it a junior size, making the image. So Control Alt J makes it a little bit smaller. I can do that again to make it even smaller, and then to reverse it, Control Alt K, Control Alt K, and then to make it even bigger, again Control Alt K. So basically these are the keyboard shortcuts that allow you to do this with both images and then also text. So if I wanted to, for example, adjust the text here, I could just do Alt left or right and adjust it accordingly. So that's it for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. If you have an idea, question, or suggestion for a Tech Tip Tuesday topic, email me and your idea may be featured in a future training or Tech Tip Tuesday blast.